Did you know that billions of beneficial enzymes are present in our digestive systems and in nature? These enzymes are vital in relation to the process of life. After 20 years of research, and thanks to partnerships with Belgian universities, Pollet has managed to recreate a natural mechanism for the cleaning and hygiene sector. We have selected from nature beneficial ferments and enzymes for their ability to get rid of various types of dirt. Once selected, we meticulously reproduce, grow, and stabilize these living cells in order to get the best out of all nature has to offer, and to get it into the PolBio range of biotechnological products. The natural process as regards these beneficial ferments and enzymes can be explained in 4 points. 1. The beneficial ferments produce enzymes. 2. The enzymes break up the dirt. 3. The beneficial ferments digest the dirt, which has been broken up by the enzymes. 4. As long as there is dirt around to act as food for the beneficial ferments, the ferments keep multiplying and keep producing enzymes. This technology is extremely effective and provides you with in-depth solutions to the problems which products made using conventional chemistry methods cannot resolve. In addition to digesting dirt, the beneficial ferments never stop reproducing. And thanks to our years of research, we use beneficial ferments that multiply more quickly than average, that thus occupy the terrain more quickly and consequently prevent bad bacteria from occupying a given space, which enables you to keep the space in question clean. The beneficial ferments and enzymes therefore work for you by breaking up and digesting dirt and by preventing it from continuously getting a foothold, so you have millions of soldiers at your disposal. Unlike the case with conventional chemistry, where dirt is simply removed, our biotechnological products digest it in order to get rid of it. All cleaning products end up in nature, but unlike detergents made using conventional chemistry means, PolBio products actively participate in nature's life cycle, since once they are discharged into the environment, they keep biodegrading organic material in the ground. They are both biodegradable and act as a biodegrading agent.